Struggling to choose a camera in 2026? You're told you need insane resolution for photos, flawless video for filmmaking, and it all has to be lightweight for vlogging. It feels impossible, right? What if the best camera isn't the one with the most specs, but the one that disappears in your hand and lets you just create? Welcome back. Today, we're cutting through the confusion with the top 5 best Sony 4K cameras for 2026. This isn't just a spec list, it's your matchmaking service. We're pairing powerhouse tools with real people, the vloggers, the hybrid hustlers, the video pros, and everyone in between. And to make your life easy, every single one of these game changers is ready to ship right now on Amazon. Let's count them down from number 5 to our ultimate number 1 pick. Number 5, Sony Alpha 6100. Kicking off our list at number 5 is the ultimate gateway to the Sony ecosystem, the Sony Alpha 6100. This camera is for anyone ready to level up from their smartphone but not ready to empty their wallet or carry a brick. Don't let the entry-level tag fool you, it's packed with pro-grade DNA. Its 24.2 MP APS-C sensor delivers beautiful detail, but the real magic is its legendary autofocus. Sony says it's the world's fastest AF at a lightning-fast 0.02 seconds, with real-time tracking and IAF for both people and animals. This means whether you're filming your kid's chaotic soccer game or a skittish pet, the camera locks on and doesn't let go. For bloggers and content creators, it's a dream. The 180-degree flip-up touchscreen is perfect for framing yourself, and the external mic jack means your audio can sound as good as your video looks. It shoots super sharp 4K video by processing about 2.4 times the data needed, resulting in incredible detail and depth. Compact, lightweight, and incredibly versatile, the A6100 is the perfect partner to learn the ropes of interchangeable lens cameras. It proves you don't need to go full frame to get professional results, and it's an Amazon's Choice product ready to start your journey today. Number 4, Sony RX100 VII. Soaring into number 4 is the camera that defies physics, the Sony RX100 VII. This is the ultimate argument for why the best camera is the one you have with you. It packs jaw-dropping features into a body that literally fits in your jeans pocket. The magic formula? A 20.1 MP 1-inch stack sensor paired with an insane Zeiss 24 to 200mm zoom lens. You get the range of a professional backpack full of gear in something that weighs just 302 grams. Its autofocus is nothing short of wizardry. With real-time tracking, you simply half-press on your subject and the camera sticks to it like glue, whether you're shooting photos or 4K video. Reviewers call it a game-changer for capturing fast-moving kids or pets. It has a pop-up electronic viewfinder for bright days, a flip-up screen for vlogging, and even a microphone input. While its small sensor has limits in very low light, its sheer convenience and capability are unmatched. If your non-negotiable is having a truly pro-quality tool on you at all times without the bulk, the RX100 VII remains the undisputed, legendary king of premium compacts, available now on Amazon. Number 3, Sony ZV-E1. Breaking into our top 3 is a camera that rewrites the rules for solo creators, the Sony ZV-E1. This isn't just a camera, it's a dedicated filmmaking assistant built into a compact, full-frame body. Designed from the ground up for vloggers and content creators, it takes the same exceptional 12.1 MP full-frame sensor optimized for 4K video from Sony's elite cinema cameras and makes it incredibly easy to use. The ZV-E1 is stuffed with genius, creator-focused AI features. Product Showcase Mode instantly shifts focus from your face to an object you hold up. Background defocus creates beautiful bokeh at the touch of a button. The cinematic vlog setting adds filmic looks and aspect ratios automatically. It shoots stunning 4K video at up to 60 frames per second, with 120 frames per second available via a free firmware update, and has best-in-class stabilization for buttery smooth handheld shots. While it has just one card slot and can get warm with prolonged 4K recording, its value is astounding. For the solo creator who wants Hollywood-grade image quality without a film crew, the ZV-E1 is a revolutionary tool. Number 2, Sony Alpha A7S III. Claiming the number 2 spot is the undisputed specialist, the monarch of moonlight, the Sony Alpha A7S III. If your primary language is video and you often shoot in challenging light, this is your instrument. It features a 12.1 MP full-frame sensor specifically engineered not for high resolution, but for extreme sensitivity, speed, and dynamic range. This means you can shoot in near darkness and get clean, usable footage that other cameras can't touch. It's a filmmaking powerhouse, offering 4K recording at up to 120 frames per second for breathtaking slow motion, with a staggering 15+ stops of dynamic range for capturing every detail and highlights and shadows. It's built like a tank with professional features like dual card slots, including CF Express Type A, a fully articulating screen, and industry-leading heat management for unlimited recording. While its 12MP resolution makes it less ideal for high-resolution photography, that's not its purpose. For documentary filmmakers, wedding videographers, and anyone who needs reliable, breathtaking video performance in any light, the A7S III is a legendary, professional workhorse. This premium tool is an investment in capability, and it's available for serious creators on Amazon. Number 1. Sony Alpha 7 V, and now, our number 1 pick for the best Sony 4K camera of 2026. The Sony Alpha 7 V. This camera earns the top spot because it masterfully does everything for the modern creator. TechRadar awarded it an editor's choice, calling it their favorite Sony camera ever for its incredible balance. It takes the beloved hybrid formula of the A7 IV and supercharges it for tomorrow. It features a new 33MP partially stacked sensor and a more powerful Bionz XR2 processor, resulting in blazing speed, 30 frames per second continuous shooting, insane AI autofocus that recognizes people, animals, birds, and even vehicles, and 8-stop image stabilization for rock-solid handheld shots. For video, it delivers clean, oversampled 4K at 60p from the full width of the sensor. It also has a versatile 4-axis multi-angle touchscreen, a deeper grip, and hybrid dual card slots. Whether you're a photographer who dabbles in video, a videographer who needs great stills, or a solo creator demanding one tool to rule them all, the A7 V is the pinnacle of hybrid performance. It's the most complete, future-ready camera for the majority of creators, and it's the newly crowned champion available for you on Amazon.